This kid can fight. That's all she wrote, you know, it just was unreal. Until it gets in the subconscious mind, and when you get in there, and you let go.
No witness at any expert. And there's nobody in.
I don't think to box. I mean, I have to focus on as a senator.
Come prepare with me as I suit up for my Bataan look. Medyo pulong-pulong lang tayo kasi natutulog yung dalawang binibini sa taas. And I don't want to pick them up. So unang-una sa lahat, nagsuot muna tayo ng underlayer natin which is a dry fit Under Armour para comfy tayo habang nagbibiyahe. Kasi parang uncomfortable kasi yung balat mo nakadiretso dun sa riding jacket. Parang ang lagkit. So, talagang I opted na magsuot ng underlayer. So, for our riding pants, we're gonna wear this Dainese tapered and padded pants. So, I bought this one in Taiwan in their Dainese flagship store. Then this one, yung Ixon na mesh jacket. Medyo may kabigatan lang kasi yung mga pads niya CE2, lalo na yung sa may back. Yung sa likod niya sobrang tigas talaga tsaka sobrang kapal. And also mesh jacket nga siya kasi nga summer na ngayon. So, sobrang init kapag hindi mesh jacket yung sinuot niya. Then for the gloves naman, meron akong nahanap na Boodle Find. Ito yung parang may mga magandang review to kasi parang they're saying na parang this feels better than the Alpine Stars na gloves, or it suits or fits better. So ito yung 5. Ayan, 5 ang pangalan ng gloves. Then for my shoes naman, I'm gonna be wearing Timberland boots. Ayan. So I bought this from Taiwan also.
Dito na tayo ngayon sa Petron. Nagana lang tayo, nagka-first gas stop before going to Bataan. So the plan is, pupunta muna tayo ng Bataan Tourism Office. So picture muna tayo doon kasi doon may nakalagay na malaking welcome to Bataan. And then after that, we'll try to go to Mount Samat. And hopefully, pagdating natin sa Mount Samat, hindi pa ganoon kainit. Samahan nyo ako guys dito sa aking first ever loop experience. May God bless our trip. Let's go! Estimated time natin sa Bataan Tourism Office is 6:58. Huwag kayong bibitaw guys, samahan nyo ako. Medyo malamig pa ngayon guys, okay pa biyahe. Ano tayong nasamahan dito? Para sa mga hindi nakakaalam, since I have been away from YouTube, sa mga nagustuhan kong hobby ay yung pagmumotor. Why? Because there was a certain time na lahat ng family car namin was confined sa casa. And my work before was in Subic. So I was handling the port of Subic. And during that time, I traveled back and forth from Subic to Manila. That's on a weekly basis. So imagine yung hassle na na wala kang car na gagamitin. So sabi ko, bakit hindi ko subukan na mag-motor? Total, I have so much road experience naman na, and I think I have developed a certain level of maturity pagdating sa sa road. So that's the story, no, kung bakit ko nagustuhan na mag big bike.
Return to fire, I find the rain. I feel the warmth of all healing hands. I'm in the gas where I can breathe. And I fall again into the storm. I dive right in. I fall again. Thunder rolls singing louder. Let that lightning strike. We will dance in power. Darkness to reminds us every word was worth the glow. We're dancing
O, pwede ang picture lang dito.
against the flow.
Ito na tayo guys, kung bait naman sila. Oo nga.
Ngayon may event yan. Tama-tama yun sir. Ano, Batande.
Anong event doon?
Batande.
Ganoon. Eh din, dami palang tao ron. So yun guys, dito tayo sa Bataan. Bataan Tourism Office. Ito yung simula ng ating Bataan Loop. So mapaka-accommodating naman nila dito. Ayan, sila kuya. Na-accommodate naman tayo. Pinaparada tayo dito sa harap. Siga, pero nakiusap lang. So ito na yung start na natin ng Bataan Loop. Sana di mainit. Mainit ba ngayon dito kuya? Pag ano? Naku, patay tayo dyan. Yun. O sige guys, see you later. Babiyahin na muna ako. Tara tayo ng Samat guys. Tara. What the Taladong Samat. Ito na guys, papasok na tayo sa twisty roads ng Bataan ng Mariveles. Tignan natin kung kakayanin natin guys. Papasok na tayo sa twisty roads ng Bataan. Let's go. Ang ating view.
Naliligaw ako. May pinasukan ng kalsada tapos parang diversion road pala to. Pero okay lang. Sino namang hindi magugustuhang maligaw dito? Tara na. Okay na ulit, nakapag-stretching na. Let's go. Pupunta na tayo kay Lowlands. Ang estimated time natin sa Lowlands ay ayan, 10:03 sabi sa Waze. So, kita tayo sa Lowlands, guys.
Fade away. When I can see a thing, I try to feel. Before I turn to fire, I find the rain. I feel the warmth of all healing hands. I'm in the chaos where I can breathe. Fall again into the storm, I dive right in. Wake up your senses in the dark. Believe you make it through the night. Every shadow calls your name. Every hurt, a spark, a flame. When I can see a thing, I try to feel. Before I turn to fire, I find the rain. I feel the warmth of all healing hands. I'm in the chaos where I can breathe. And I fall again into the storm, I dive right in. And I fall again. Thunder rolls, we'll singing louder. Let that lightning strike, we will dance in power. Darkness to reminds us everywhere was worth how we're dancing in the storm. Against the flow, yeah, we will fight together as we glow.
Okay naman doon sa sa Lowlands. Yung noodles kasi nila is parang bigat sa tiyan. So, di ko siya naubos. But the banh mi on the other hand, nasarapan ako sa kanya. That's why, bukod doon sa kinain ko, nag-take out pa ako. So, hindi naman para sa akin, pero I just want Agnes to taste it. Okay naman, the restaurant was clean and tidy, though the facility is not air-conditioned. But it's well ventilated naman because they have so many electric fans. Pero one thing lang na negative na maano ko, dun sa Lowlands na pinuntahan ko, which is, I think that was the main branch, is wala siyang parking. So, roadside parking lang siya. Medyo mahihirapan ka kung malaking ano. Kung kotse, pwede pa. But if SUV yung dala mo, medyo siguro mahihirapan ka di parada. Doon sa itinerary natin, meron lang tayong hindi napuntahan, yung Mount Samat. Why? Because they have an activity para nga sa araw ng Kagitingan. Yun naman, yung sa kilometer 0 naman ng Death March. Wala kasing ano yung parking. Nagulat na lang ako, nandun na pala. And guys, ito na. Homebound na ako. Guess I'll see you again soon on my next videos. Hindi ko na kayo papahirapan pa na ano, samahan pa ako hanggang sa makauwi. So, ganito na lang guys. See you.